Now is available at McCarthycars Volvo V60 diesel, 11 plate 2011, metallic dark blue. Car has front headlight washers, got front parking sensor, it's got 18-inch alloy wheels, it's got electric sunroof. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, 4 electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, electric seats, which is sunroof. Car has satellite navigation, it's got push button to start, got DAB radio, media, my car, city safety, driver alert, collision warnings, reduced guards, active bending lights. Heated seats, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, auto transmission, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.